You're gonna get stuck out there, and I'm gonna have to get you before another fish does. Get back here. I said get back here now. Stop!
Clouds, clouds, what do you see? I see Abraham Lincoln looking back at me, and a monkey with the drum counting 1, 2, 3. Funny what you see in the clouds. Clouds, clouds, look how they change now. Abraham Lincoln is looking real strange.
French.
Some might morph and some might fade, but all the clouds are on parade. Watch the wind move 'em. Ooh, I like to watch 'em move.
Let's go.
Bad trench, bad trench. Come on, we're gonna swim over this thing.
Whoa. Boy, sure is clear up here.
Another cave rule. You should not touch rock formations because they can break, and these took millions of years to grow.
Oh, man. I wouldn't want to break something a million years old.
Going!